Hi, this is Mijan here. In this video, I'll show you how you can track teleform. So you can see there is a teleform. I have embedded this form with this website. If I go to the form section, then you will see the form is embedded. Well, so I want to track this form through Google Tag Manager. If I want to track this form through Google Tag Manager, then I need to go to first Google Tag Manager, and I already set up the events for this form tracking. So you can see there is two custom HTML tag, and through these tags I have pushed the data layer, and based on this event I will set up the tags for Google Analytics, Facebook, any kind of platform. So let's preview and check the form submission event is coming in the Google Tag Manager preview or not. So let's connect. Just a second. So you can see here the tag assistant is connected. If I go to the previous section, tag assistant, you can see here. And if I submit this form, like this is the form details, and I have completed all these things. Now I am going to register this form. Click on register. You can see the form submission event is completed. If I go to tag assistant preview, you can see here, this is our event. If I show you the data layer, you can see here, this is the event name, form ID, form name. This is the first name, last name, email, phone, company, job title, country. Everything is coming in the data layer. Well, now I'm going to send this event to Google Analytics. For this, I already connect the Google tag. You can see here. Now I need to create an event. To create, let's click on new, then select the Google Analytics event, then measurement ID. This is the measurement ID, the event name. If you want to send in event parameters, then you can easily send here. I'm just going to send the currency and the value. Currency will be USD, and value is a static value. It can be 100. Okay, if you want to send any kind of information from here, then you just need to create data layer variable, and by creating data layer variable you can easily send this detail. Okay, fine. So the trigger will be custom event, and from here need to copy this and write a name. Well, save. The tag is created, done. Now click on save. If you want to send this event as a conversion in Google Ads, then you can easily set up the enhanced conversion tracking based on this data. For enhanced conversion tracking, we need the user name, email, phone, and address. Lots of things you need. So you can easily send these details from here. So our tag is created, done. Now we need to preview. Before doing preview, I'm going to GA4, and from here the debug view. Now click on preview. Well, the tag assistant is connected, and fill up the form, then register. It's done. Well, the GA4 event is fired. If I click here, you can see this is the static value or static parameters, and measurement ID is successfully fired. If I go to analytics, it actually takes some time to show the data, but don't worry, it will show the data after some while. In this way, you can set up the teleform submission event. Since it's the form, so for everyone, the form is not same. It can be different. So if the form is different, then you need to set up the form in different angle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found this video valuable, stay with me by like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye bye.